Here we are again and again going to trade stocks, or simply put, sell them. We're back on JP Morgan stock, and this time you'll see support and resistance being used in real time. But let's see a break of resistance that becomes support. Resistances and supports are one of the most important and most used things in trading. Subscribe to our channel, there we will look at them in detail. As we can see from the video, we have a very good support which after some time is broken and the price is coming back to test it. And when we have a breakthrough and a retest, it means a very good signal. This is another thing in our direction that makes us open sell on these stocks. Besides resistance and support, there are more things in our favor. You can watch the full video on our YouTube channel. Here is how our open sell position has moved a few hours later. You can see how the price, after pushing back from the broken zone, goes to our take profit. Here and a few more hours later the price hit our take profit. See the whole strategy in our YouTube video. Subscribe to our channel, this way you won't miss our new videos. Share the video with friends, this way you help the channel grow.